Hi, it's Civil Guru 04. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel because I have already starting a Civil 3D free course on YouTube. You can see here I have chapter 1, exercise number 1, exercise number 2 and 3. Now today I have exercise number 4 for the chapter 1. Exercise number 4, we have explore drawing setting with setting tab. These are little tools of Civil 3D which we will work with them later, but we need to know basic about the Civil 3D measure tools. Let's start our today topic. Civil 3D has a lot of settings that control nearly every aspect of how the software behaves. In fact, one of the things that makes Civil 3D so powerful is that you can customize its setting to accommodate nearly any types of design. Any company standards or any other factor that defines the environment within which you use it. The setting tabs is where these settings are managed. However, you won't be spending much time here in the early part of your Civil 3D career. Exercise number 4, explore the drawing settings with the setting tab. In this exercise, you will use the setting tab for the tool space to explore the drawing settings. Step number 1, as usually we are using launch the Civil 3D and open the file named user interface. I have already, you maybe already have downloaded that file from the description link for the which we are using for the exercise number 1 and 2, 3. Same file you can open. Step number 2, if the tool space is not already open, click tool space on the home tab of the ribbon. So here we have, if I have already opened tool space, if not open, you can switch on and off from this icon. Step number 3, click the setting tab of the tool space. Here we have setting tabs. Now I am on the prospector tab, but we need to go on setting tab this time. Step number 4, expand surface. So we need to expand surface. Here you can see we have a tree of surface style and note. Surface style, we need to open surface style. Here we have surface style, we can expand them. So we can see here contour 1 meter, background 2 meter. Here we have too much style of the surface. These style control the appearance of model that represent the shape of the ground. Later we will use these style to change our style of these surfaces. Step number 5, expand surface label style. Here we have another label style, we can expand them. If you see the plus sign, you can expand them to see another embedded part of this tree. You can see here we have label style and we have more label style for the surfaces. These style control a certain type of label that is used to annotate surface model. Remember, our drawing is nothing without annotation like text and label. So we need to make them annotate after designing. Keep this drawing open for the next exercise. As you can see, we have another two tabs, survey and toolbox. so we need to know about them little. Survey tab. The survey tab is specifically designed for working with survey data. You could call it prospector for surveyors because it serves the same function and work in much the same way as the prospector tab. It displays survey data in a tree structure. You can see our tab prospector setting show the data like a tree structure, and it allows you to launch command through contextual menu. Here we have another and last tab, toolbox. Toolbox tab, as if Civil3d did not have enough stuff packed into it already. The toolbox is a place where other add-ons can be plugged in. Your company may have some custom programming that is designed to run in Civil3d, or you may have some add-on model provided by AutoCAD. This is the place where you can load and run these additional enhancements to Civil3d. Hope you like my video. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. We will go through with specific course of Civil3d, which will more interesting after chapter 1. Thank you. Goodbye.